Okay, this recording is from Mr. Quinton. This is your EH TW 8100 that was in pieces. I've removed all the internal screws, and I've also removed your locking screws, your locking washers that was inside in the power supply, that was inside your projector when you removed your feet. And I've totally, as you can see by your invoice, totally stripped down your projector to bits, and checked all the parts or screws, and done the necessary replacement parts, and reassembled the unit, and repaired all the faults with your projector. And this is your 8100 now, going on soak test. Okay, so here we go. It is in standby mode. Okay, it's now powering up. You'll hear the solenoid shift. There it goes. Front flap be opening very shortly. The fans have started. The front flap has opened. As you can see, here's your projection image. Okay, there's your EPSON logo, all up and running. At the moment I've got Pompeii running. There you go. Okay, in true HD, although not HD on my video, on my YouTube video, but shows that your projector is all up and running.
But I'm going to take it easy. Give you a fighting chance for tomorrow.
Okay, Mr. Quinton.
You have earned your reputation for not fighting against a gladiator like me. You made that a little too obvious.
Did I make that too obvious?
Get away! Get out of the way! Get off, scum! Back to work!
Okay, so thank you very much. Thank you. John from JVS Visual, #1 service centre in the Midlands.